bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Can I speak to Mr. or Mrs. Straight On?
Mrs. Stratton speaking.
Sorry, madam. My name is Councillor Chefta Sebulon, and I'm calling from the Department of Home Affairs.
Yeah?
I'm sure, ma'am, you are aware of the name changes that's taking place in the country, from Petersburg to Polokwane.
Yeah?
The name Straight Dome has come up on our computers. You see, most hand Straight Dome drivers change to Kandorera.
Yeah?
So we implementing this thing also to persons, surnames, rugby names, and all the other names, and that means your surname also has to change,
You must be joking.
And then your surname will have to change at the Department of Home Affairs, I'm sorry, madam. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up. Bolo bolo bolo, can I speak to the owner of the phone? Get up.
Hello?
Of course, you have a choice to change it from Kandorera to Shabalala, man. Which one do you like? We can soon do it quickly on the computer, madam.
No, I'm sorry. We're not changing our name.
Oh, madam, I'm sorry to inform you it's not a matter of your choice, man. It's a government matter,
Hey, just hang on. Hier, los op. Dit is Home Affairs. Hulle sê Christa is Home Affairs. Los op. Ja, Mia. Hulle met ons kap so vroeg in die môre. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, no, we're not interested in your story.
No, madam, you don't understand. It's not my story. Yesterday, I already changed 42 Straight Domes, man.
No, sorry, I'm putting it down.
Madam, you can put the phone down. Hedo, madam. Bolo, 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 can I speak to the owner of the phone? Hedo. Bolo, 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 can I speak to the owner of the phone? Hedo. Bolo, 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 can I speak to the owner of the phone? Hedo. Bolo, 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 can I speak to the owner of the phone? Hedo.
Jy het glo. Ek moet nou na Shabalala toe.
Hello,
Good day, is that Mr. Straight On?
who's speaking?
Mr. Straight On, my name is Chefta Sebulon, and I'm calling you from the Department of Home Affairs, and we give you two options, sir. Kandorera or Shabalala, sir.
You must be joking. Are you not? I'm straight up, and that's it.
I can quickly change it on the computer, sir.
I will sue you if you change my name. If you do anything on my name, I will sue you.
I know we're not gonna make you waiting in those long queues.
You're not going to do anything to me. You touch anything on my name, anything, I'll sue you.
If you don't give me an option, then the computer will just select a random surname. And now at this moment, it looks like Shabalala.
You must be drunk. Have you been drinking?
No, sir, I don't drink on duty, but I drink after duty.
Get stuffed.
I'm losing you. Hello, sir. Bolo, bolo, bolo,